Every day we wake up to the same routine rushing, worrying, scrolling, and surviving. But what if instead of chores, our mornings began with clarity, our actions with purpose, and our minds with peace? The Bhagavad Gita, spoken thousands of years ago on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, is not just a spiritual scripture, it is a manual for life. Today, let's discover 10 powerful daily habits inspired by Bhagavad Gita, timeless teaching that can transform how you live, think, and grow every single day. Wake up with gratitude. In Gita, Lord Krishna reminds Arjuna, you have control over your actions, not the results. When you wake up, instead of grabbing your phone, close your eyes and express gratitude. Thank the universe for giving you one more day to act, to serve, and to grow. This single moment of gratitude connects your soul with divine energy, preparing your mind for the day ahead. Start with the day with stillness. Before the chores begin, sit in silence, meditate, breathe deeply, or recite a verse. Krishna said, the mind is restless, but it can be trained through practice and detachment. If even 10 minutes of meditation helps you master your mind. So instead of reacting to life, you begin to respond with awareness. Live with purpose. The Gita teaches Swadharma, your unique purpose or duty in this life. Krishna said it is better to do one's own duty imperfectly than to do another's perfectly. So each morning, remind yourself what is my purpose today? What can I give to this world? Purpose transforms ordinary work into sacred action. Eat with awareness. In the Gita, Krishna describes three types of food. Sattvic, it's pure, Rajasic is a passionate, and Tamasic is heavy. He says, food that increase life, purity, strength, and happiness is dear to the wise. So eat with mindfulness. Avoid overeating. Avoid junk that dulls your energy. Eat simple, fresh, and grateful, remembering that every bite sustains life, not just hunger. Detach from results. One of the greatest lessons from the Bhagavad Gita, karma e vadikarsate ma paleshu kadachana. You have the right to work, but not to the fruits thereof. Do your work sincerely, whether success comes or not. When you act without craving results, you gain freedom from anxiety. Practice selfness. Krishna says he works for the wellness of others. Without attachments, attains supreme peace. Help someone each day, even if it is just a kind word or a smile or a moment of compassion. This selfless habit expands your heart and purifies your souls. Control your desires. Gita warns desire and anger are born of passions. They are insatiable and sinful enemies. Learn to pause before acting on every impulse. Don't let your desires control you, let wisdom guide you. Simple restraint leads to great strength. Reflect before you sleep. At the end of the day, sit silently and reflect, what did I do today? Where did I act with love and where did I act with ego? The Gita teaches Swadhyaya, self study. The nightly reflection slowly burns away your weakness and strengthens your inner light. See divinity in everyone. Krishna says the wise see the same divinity in a priest, cow, and an elephant, a dog, and an outcast. Train your mind to see beyond labels, beyond religion, caste, gender, or status. When you see all as a divine expressions of an one consciousness, hatred disappears and compassion grows. Offer every action to the divine. Whatever you do, whether you eat, work, or rest, offer it mentally to the divine. Krishna says, whatever you do, do it as an offering into me. This transforms your daily life into meditation. Every act becomes sacred, every beat becomes prayer. So, the Bhagavad Gita is not about escaping the world, it's about transforming it moment by moment through conscious living. When you live this habit daily, gratitude, purpose, discipline, reflection, you align with your true self beyond stress and desire. And in that alignment, you find peace, the peace that Lord Krishna promised, the peace that never fades. Thank you.